So this is the Vitalix.
Yeah, sea salt's over here.
I want you to explain this to me because every time I say something about sea salt, people think I have freaking lost my mind.
Okay.
And so I'm like, okay, so they're one of those big.
This is all sea salt. This has got garlic in it. This has got added selenium, but it's all the same. It's sea salt, and this has got iodine. So if you're having feet problems, they need the iodine. If you're having health problems, you know the selenium 90, or if you're having fly problems, the garlic that's got added garlic in it.
I'm gonna have to load up. Yes, I can.
Garlic?
I'm gonna have to load up on some of this and give it to my longhorns.
So
what is this?
This is just the regular sea salt, and then this is in the super sack right here. So.
This is Redmond brand.
Yeah, it's Redmond sea salt. It's the same as you eat in a salt shaker. So
oh my
taste
goodness!
That. I mean, you can taste it. It tastes just like what you eat on the table. But that's what we're fertilizing our pasture with.
And you just
broadcast it.
Broadcast it.
Just like you do regular fertilizer. See the mineral in up there. There's 66 trace elements in sea salt. Every heart doctor in the world will tell you not to eat salt, right? They're talking about white salt. You put white salt on that ground and kill everything. You go to any health food store in America, what do they got in there?
Redmond sea salt.
Sea salt. Sea salt's good for you. It'll grow grass. There's 66 trace elements in it that your ground needs. It also puts conductivity back in your soil. So to move nutrients under the ground, it has to have conductivity. There's electrolysis moving minerals back and forth. So if the plant over here needs nitrogen or potash or DAP, it can pull it from 4, 5, 6 feet away, but it's got to have electrolysis in the soil to move that, which is what the salt does. If you think about it, every trace element runs back to the ocean at some point, right?
Yeah.
Well, why aren't we bringing it and putting it back on our soil?